What's freaking happening, everybody? It's Charlie, and today I'm going to be making some iPhone slime. Putting all these iPhones right here in this slime. So you know it's about to get crazy up in here, right? It's about to get crazy, huh? What you looking at? Get over here, what you looking at? And I got my sister Amira here with me to help me to make the slime. Because if you guys know her, from Just Amira, she makes like the world's best slime. Alright, so what we got here is some borax, the activator to activate the glue to make the slime. We got 2 gallons of clear glue because you won't see it if it's just regular school glue. And then the special ingredient, iPhone. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23 freaking iPhone 7! Amira, how many likes do you think they can get?
A quarter 5.
A quarter 5? A quarter 5, you heard her! We need a quarter 5 likes! We need a quarter 5 likes! In 24 hours, right now, before you even keep watching the video, just the like button. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat for the complete Charlie experience. So let's get crack-a-lacking with this iPhone slime. All right, Amira, now we gotta roll up our sleeves.
Roll them up.
That's
how you be successful.
That's how you're successful.
Roll them up.
When you're gonna go to work, you just gotta roll up your sleeves. The floor is lava! The floor is lava! She got it! She got it! All right. Am I good?
You did it. You did it, Charlie.
All right. All right, let's get started. First, we got our clear slime. Our clear glue. All right, well, you're gonna mix with your hands because you already got them dirty. I'll mix with the fork.
It feels really good. It's warm.
All right, let's add some borax. Mix.
I'm sorry, Charlie, where's your,
I broke all of my drills and whiskers, if that's what you're talking about, okay? Yeah, laugh it up, guys. I broke all my drills. Oh, yeah. Woohoo. Like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look at that, guys. It's already turning into slime. Amira, where did you go?
Go on an adventure.
All right, I'll see you later. Have a safe flight. I don't know what she's doing. But what I do know is that we need more borax. Stat! Oh no, I gotta leave it on the phones. That's okay, they're iPhone 7s, they're waterproof. And now we're gonna find out if they're slime proof. Oh! Comment down below if you think they're slime proof. Oh yes, baby. I feel like I'm making a nice salad. Oh, you're back from your trip, how was it? Oh gosh, what happened to her? Oh. It's scientifically proven that grunting does help. Look at guys, it's coming together. It's coming together. What? Why is there a ball in here? What is that? It's red. Why is it red? Did you put something in here, Amira? This is red.
What?
This is red.
That's not red.
It's red. You don't see it?
No.
It's red. No, look at it compared to everything else. It's red.
No, it's not, Charlie.
Red in it.
Crazy.
Tell me if I'm crazy, guys. Am I crazy? Am I crazy? That's the trick to slime. Just knead it. You need to knead it a lot.
And also Monster.
I need you, baby.
Energy.
I need you.
A few inches later.
All right, guys, I got this fully mixed, but it's got a little bit too much borax in it, so.
And slime needs to be sticky for stuff to stick.
Exactly. Thank God my sister has a slimatory that's got an unlimited supply of glue, so we got another gallon of glue here. We're gonna add it. We'll just speed it up right here. Alright guys, so I ended up adding the whole extra gallon of glue. Now what we got is the most perfect slime. Alright, so we got 3 gallons of glue, a bunch of borax, I don't know how much.
That's Charlie's ASMR for you guys.
Alright, throw that bad boy back in here, Amira. Throw it in here. Nice. Alright, now what are we gonna do? Should we add the iPhones into the box, or should we put the slime on the counter and then add them there? What do you think, Amira?
Counter.
Counter? Alright, let's pour all this slime out. Oh, it's magnificent. Isn't this just the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Now, we add the iPhones in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 iPhones in the slime. Now we're gonna mix it all up. Uh-oh, what an idiot.
ASMR now, guys. All right.
let's go. Let's freaking mix.
That's what ASMR is. It's supposed to be slow.
I don't know what that is. I never heard of that in my whole entire life. I think we need a bit more slime up in here.
Metal's not sticking.
It's not sticking. Guys, it won't stick. Oh my God, guys, look it. It's freaking iPhone 7 slime. It's iPhone 7 slime, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope Apple doesn't get mad at me. But it's okay, right? Because now I'm proving that their phones are slime proof. Well, now I think they're as mixed as they're gonna get. They're not really staying in there. But we have freaking iPhone slime.
All right, I got a rose gold phone.
Oh yeah? Well, guess what I get? All right, just the one that I wanted. Do you know what's actually really cool about this? It's cleaning the phones.
Yeah.
They're getting cleaner now from the slime. All right, Amira, do you think they still work?
Yes, because you did do a video with covering them in salsa and oatmeal and milk. You guys should totally check that out.
Let's just pick a random one. Pick this one. All right, let's see if it works.
All right, the golden phone. All right, golden.
It works, it works. Let's do another one.
This one?
This one. Suspense. Oh, it works. All right, guys, now you know that if you get slime on your iPhone 7, it's not gonna damage it.
They might get in the audio jack though. Oh wait. No. Oh wait, but it might get through the home button. Oh wait.
Alright guys, so that was our slime. That was our iPhone slime. Guys, I have no idea what to do with all of this. Can you guys give me some ideas? You know, comment down below what I should do with this slime. Should I burn it or what should I don't know. I have no idea what to do. Put it in a pumpkin pie. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And remember to subscribe to me if you haven't. And if you haven't subscribed because you didn't like this video, then go check out my other videos. And then maybe then you'll subscribe. I'll see you later, homies. Peace.